Hey, I'm going to be showing you how to see more friends' posts on Facebook. So if you want to see a lot of posts from your Facebook, or whenever they post anything, you will receive it quickly. Like you will see the post as soon as they post it. So here is exactly how you can see more friends' posts on Facebook. You want to just open your Facebook account as you can see here, and you can just like scroll down and see any picture, any post on Facebook, anything. Like for example, this picture. So if you want to click three little dots in the top right, as you can see here, three little dots here of the picture, and then click at the very bottom. You can see here, manage your feed. At the very bottom, click on manage your feed, and after that, I didn't open the internet. I'm going to open the internet. Retry. As you can see here, when you click manage your feed, you will see a few different options will come up. You want to click on favorites in the top, and here you can add any friend so that you can see more posts of that specific friend. You can just click add. It's very simple. Just click on add, and whenever someone posts, whenever one of these friends posts any post on Facebook, you will receive it quickly. You will see it on your Facebook news feed. You can also do the same thing with pages. You can click on pages and you can add pages there. So like I said, just click add, and that's all you need to do, guys, to receive more posts from your Facebook friends on your news feed. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. You can also search in the top here for a specific name if you want. You can also search for, and then you can